Just built the dresser. It took about 30 minutes with help, and it comes with the doors. Very easy to install. It has the light that it's connected, and it can change to different colors. And lightweight but sturdy. And the back right there. So definitely recommend.
Tastefuls, a taste they'll love, made from natural ingredients.
It's high noon, and the winter's clear. 7 out of 10 cats prefer Blue Tastefuls chicken to Heinz chicken. And with Tastefuls' delicious natural ingredients, it's easy to see why. Blue Tastefuls, a taste cats love made with natural ingredients.
IL-17A plus F to calm inflammation. Bimzelx can deliver transformative relief.
Most people got
It won't go any further because it